Human Nature by Michael Jackson, but this is the Glee version. Woo! Looking out across the nighttime, next to deep waves to sleep inside. Hearing voice, just as the window. Jesus, who's inside? Get me out into the nighttime. Please hold me tonight. If this sound is just an apple, then let me take a bite. And you say, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? And they say, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? You see now, the touch of a stranger, the electric eyes are everywhere. Ooh, see that girl, she likes my motion, she likes the way I stare. And you say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Looking out across the morning, looking hard to can't see, reaching out to the shoulder, dreaming of the street. And they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Why? Tell them that it's human